213 volts. So we're gonna wire this guy up for 10. All right, wired up for a 10 of motor. Here, simple, super fucking simple. So, let's get our garbage. Fire this motherfucker up. Clean up this electrical panel a little bit. Phillips. I need the Phillips. This panel in there. One there. That one there. See if I can get it there a little bit better. Let's see what we can do. Alright. That ain't going nowhere. Boom. Boom. You back. 5/16. Alright, let me get this thing put back together. Woo! I just beat the rain too. What's up, fool? Alright, that one's pretty simple. Those ones inside pissed me off though, those stupid fucking guards. I don't have guards, I have like the old bone guards, but ain't gonna fit on there right. You gotta call Peerless now. Like, fuck out of here.